South Africans, good morning. This is In Short with Mduma Basu. Ake ngithathe le thuba ngithi uPaula ngesimo esenzakala eSouth Africa with particular reference to KZN, the province of my birth, my love as a Zulu. Before ngiqhubeka ake ngikhumbuze abantu uthe umlayezo umkhonto wesizwe awuhlale phansi uphuza amanzi udle popcorn ubukele movie. That is so befitting of youth yomkhonto wesizwe to do that. Abayibuka movie, abaphuza amanzi, abawudle popcorn. Kodwa thina esisenior who are advanced in age, who are now have reached the self-actualization stage in life, lapho esifuna khona ukubona abantu bequbuka bethuthuka bebengcono, as opposed to thina ama-egos nama-drive up-personal self-enrichment. So ithi into ke thina ke asidle popcorn, sidla amaziyo, asikho ema-lounge, asibuka ama-movie, sisemacamereni siyacabanga. Senze njani? Yini esizoyenza? Nayo into esenzayo, asiphuze amanzi wamumethe. Uma umumethe amanzi, leyo nto leyo yinto yenza ungafuni ukukhuluma umuntu osifazane. Umumethe amanzi ongcono ukuze ungakhuluma. So amumetheke amanzi. Kanti asidle popcorn, sigrinda amazinyo kanzima kabi. Kubi. Konakele senza njani? That is the question. Ake ngikhumbuze inkatha ngoba yazi yini inkatha. Inkatha iyini? Igama lithi inkatha lisho. Let me tell you, inkatha isho as a sacred item. It is a sacred grass coil. Sacred grass coil. Yinto enobungcwele nenokujula kwesizwe. It was symbolic. What does it symbolize? It symbolizes the unity of the black nation, of the Zulu nation, to be specific. It is symbolic of the unity of the Zulu nation against zonke izizwe. Kwakuthi makuzowe empini amakhosi ahlale phezulu kwenkatha, inviting the spirits of the forebearers, inviting zonke izinyanya amabutho asakhothama ukuthi awahambe nathi. Yingakho sasingqoba lezi zimpi lezi. That is inkatha, sacred grass coil, an item that is so sacred. But today sibona lento eyinkatha, Freedom Party yohlabisa manje. Yenzani manje divide amazulu? Yenzani manje? They are now coiled with the enemy. Badonsa iDA, badonsa ukhongolose, bawufaka ngaphakathi. Usifaka kanjani isitha ekhaya ube uya empini? Ngoba i-unity of the Zulu nation against other nations. Now into enzakalayo manje bahlangana nabezizwe uku-atheka nokulwa namanye amazulu, which is umkhonto wesizwe. Bagejile, abaqondanga ukuthi baphethini. Yingakho kuthiwa omunye umuntu into yakhe uma enayo umefa ufa nayo. Inkatha ayisekho. This is the theme, this is the title of my topic. Inkatha igwinye ibhomu. Inkatha ifunzwe ibhomu yaligwinya. Leli bhomu liphila ngaphakathi kwenkatha. Leli bhomu lingaphakathi. It's a matter of time before it explodes. Leli bhomu sengishilo. Inkatha igwinye ibhomu. Lalela. Lempi ekhona eKZN in particular, ngoba the entire elections were about iKZN. I-dominance is about ukuklona nokuthatha over iKZN because of its lucrative minerals are vast ngalendlela are discovered. Igoli selimbobo balibhorile baqedile. Bafuna iKZN. Yimpikele yomhlaba, yi-West versus uZuma, because there's only one man standing, defending, protecting South Africa uZuma. There was one man standing, uMdlokombane, owayevikela umnotho, evikela umhlaba, evikela umnotho wakwaZulu. Now he's late. Ngizokutshela ukuthi ke kwenzakalani. These are all plots enziwe ngamabomu ngenhloso ecashile esingayiboni thina njengamaZulu. iANC, iStellenbosch and iAmerica rigged ama-elections so badly in the country. We all know that they rigged ama-elections in a very, very, very terrible way. La kaZulu, iDA, iANC ne-IFP bahlulwe so emphatically, bahlulwe point blank. Siyakwazi lokho, sonke siyakwazi. Yaroju MK maqede yamthola u-45% obufakazi ukuthi iyikhanda kwaZulu Natal. Angazi uma sisezwa. So ukuphatha kwenkatha iprovince is just a broad daylight brutal dry rape for umkhonto wesizwe. Inkatha ibe iyazi kahle ukuthi yathola u-18%. Ihlazo, the worst performance ever to be performed by inkatha kuma-elections since the dawn of our democracy. Niyakwazi lokho. Bese bethi ke do it for umntwana. Lento yenzakalayo, are you still doing it for umntwana? Ngiyacabanga, ngiyakholwa ukuthi la khona umntwana uyaphenduka ethuneni ngehlazo elithelwe iMK. Maqede nase niyibonda kuwo namasipho naproducer nina ngathi njengamanje niyayibonda, ngabe niyayiphipha, nisukume niyikline, niyayibonda ke manje. Double trouble. Right. Now, let's talk about the emergence of a double shame. Double trouble. Eseniyenzile umonakalo, esenwenzile nankatha. Inhloso zeWest, iStellenbosch neANC kaRamaphosa ukuxova uZulu. Bagaqele umhlaba wethu. Babeke untuli we-IFP ophondweni njengeprime lapho impi bukhali khona. Bebebazi kahle lokho abakwenzayo ku-wrong, and it can't be right. It can't be right today, tomorrow and forever. Nazi kahle nayo untuli ubanjwe ngamasende, ubanjwe uSteenhuisen, wabanjwa Oppenheimer, wamgaxa imali emasendeni. Siyakwazi lokho, akana chance. Ntuli, let me tell you, it's a trap. Wakhala kathela, khala kathela, but it's a trap. Let me tell you, let me address you. You know, a cheap, blindly ambitious and a stupid man of all times. It's what you are. You tell a cheap, blindly ambitious, stupid man of all times. The history will judge you harshly, say. Premier Taminduli. Your kids will disown you unless you do the right thing. You redeem yourself and step down courteously or graciously before you meet embarrassment, which is loading and is underway. Lento eyenziwa abelungu behlala no-ANC enkatheni inkhumbuza isitori sikaDavide eBhayibhelini. Lapho uDavide wathi umeqeda ukulala nomfazi womuntu uBetsheba, umfazi kaUriya, wabona okay useyishayile lefambu, wangama lapho maqede wahlomisa impi, wabeka uRiya ophondweni lapho impi eshisa khona, wabathumela empini, wasethi uma impi sihlasela ngamandla nihlehle nimshede uRiya afe. This is what is happening to Ntuli. Yena akaboni. Ntuli, you have been fooled, you have been scammed, you have been made a sacrificial lamb. Wena ujijelwe ebhasini ngaphansi kwebhasi. It's a matter of time before it shows up. And I said it is loading. It is imminent. It is coming. In no time, the bomb that you've swallowed will explode. Ngekhalela labantu abakusurroundile aba around you, because lizothi uma liqhuma liqhume kulimale nabo bonke abantu aba-innocent abagcwele enkathini